How to load data to Power Query from Excel. Let me show that to you. So here is some data, just the same data that we worked with a while ago. And in this data, what I want to do is I want to take this data to Power Query, do some transformation, but not load it back, but still be able to use it. So I'm going to click on this particular data. Now this data could be coming off from the current Excel file, from a different Excel file combined from multiple Excel files. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to click on the data, and then I'll click on from table range, and this puts the data inside of Power Query. Once the data has been loaded in Power Query, I can just do some random transformations. For example, I don't really want to have the sales rep. I will remove that column. Just a few transformations. Now, instead of actually loading this data into Excel, which I can get that through Close and Load, I'm actually going to use these other options. Close and Load to, which allows me to directly make a pivot table report on a new worksheet without even making my spreadsheet heavier. Now all of that data is stored in the pivot table cache, and you can use it to build any kind of reports that you would want to build, and that is pretty awesome. If you have a large data being processed by Power Query and you still want to remain on the Excel page, not loaded, but still be able to use it, this is one of the brilliant ways to go about it. That's it.